Hey guys, Eddy Ortiz here, just Summit Sothebys. Wanted to quickly do a virtual open house for you guys. It's the thing to do now because we are obviously in a day and age where we need to kind of be mindful of the distance that we keep from other folks, and we want to be very respectful. Thus far, St. George has not seen, or Washington County has not seen any big numbers in terms of what's happening out there, but obviously we want to be cautious, so we want to be respectful of our folks. But I wanted to show you this cool little community that I'm at here. It's called SunRiver, and it's a retirement community. It's surrounded by an 18-hole championship golf course, and it is a great retirement place. I mean, it is an active adult community for seniors, and they have a community center that is 35,000 square feet, and it has pickleball courts, they have tennis courts, they have over 150 different community groups that get together, everything from knitting to pottery, whatever you want to do. I mean, it's, as far as active community, it is a cool place to be, and it's for 55 plus. So if you're somebody who's looking to retire in St. George, beautiful sunny St. George, over 300 days of sun, this is definitely a place to look at. Price points for homes here, they can range anywhere from the low 200,000 to into the $750,000. So there's definitely something for everyone here. We have about 1,600 homes, and there's even a gated community within it. So anyway, I wanted to quickly show you guys around and give you a chance to see this this listing that I have. Is such a cute listing, and it's such a good time for you to be able to take a look at the home. If you want to come out and see it, or if you want to come out and see other SunRiver homes, I would love to come out and show you. It's truly an amazing place to be. They do have an award-winning restaurant, or the chef here that has a beautiful, awesome restaurant as well. So anyway, but let me quickly pan out and show you the street. And as you see, it's very quiet. There's my listing, cute little house there, and you can see just how quiet it is. Can you see? So quiet. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and show you. This is the home here. So the home is 1,108 square feet. It has a 2-car garage, and it is 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, and it is currently asking is $262,900, so $262,900. And as you walk in, I have the lens a little bit further out. There you go. Notice this floor plan. One of the coolest things about SunRiver is that they do like the split floor plan. So if you notice this, here's 1 bedroom on the side, and the master is on the other side. So if you have guests come and things like that, you can kind of keep a little bit of that separation. But let's go in here first. So this room has a Murphy bed, which is pretty awesome. So if you wanted to obviously utilize the Murphy bed for guests, you can use this as an office, as a den. And then when you go right in here, you have a full bath. So you can see, cool rain shower. You have a little coat closet right here. And then as you go in, you have this really cool kitchen counter right here. And it's a corian counter, but nice kitchen. Again, it's a small home, but it's a cute home. You have this office here. This would have been originally the laundry, but they decided to put the laundry outside. As you know, we don't really get very cold in St. George, so they put the laundry in this extra deep garage that has storage up there, as well as cabinets there, and the laundry there, which are all included with the home. And then they use this as a nice little office den area as well too. But and then as you walk through, as you can tell, it's very bright and cute. The home is, in terms of that. You have a gas fireplace right here, and I'll walk into the backyard in a minute. But once you go in here, this is the master. Again, pretty open and bright, which is great. And then you have the master closet here and master bath right here. So great. Again, little house to kind of, for those of you who are looking for retirement, asking again is $262,900. And you can kind of see you have this cool patio area where you can, you know, hang out and stuff. And so you can see it has an open backyard right now, but you could put if you really wanted to put a block wall, you can, obviously, to make it more private if you want it. But for now, it's just open, as you can see. So anyway, so I wanted to quickly just give you guys a preview of this house. It's such a cute house, and we just had this price reduction. We have a very motivated seller that wants to move back to his family back in Texas. So if you have somebody, you want to come out, see it, if you are that somebody, give me a call. Let me know how I can help. I would love to go to have you come out and take a look and learn more about SunRiver and why it's such an amazing community. And yeah, and just give me a call. So Eddy Ortiz with Sothebys signing out. Thanks.